In this video, I am about to show you what is Vertex AI used for. Vertex AI is a fully managed machine learning platform by Google Cloud used for developing, deploying, and managing machine learning models. It allows users to build and scale models using tools and pre-trained models, as well as their custom models, all within a unified interface. Some key uses of Vertex AI include building and training custom machine learning models with automated workflows. Once trained, models can be deployed for serving predictions in real time or in batch. Vertex AI also supports the full machine learning lifecycle, including experiment tracking, visioning, and monitoring deployed models. It integrates with Google's pre-trained models and AutoML for users who want to leverage Google's powerful algorithms without building models from scratch. Additionally, it offers flexibility for developers to build their models with popular ML frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. The platform is designed to simplify and scale the end-to-end process of machine learning, making it accessible to both developers and data scientists. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.